Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Not in my background. Garbage सगळं क्लीन केली जाय पण आपले घरा समोर नाका सायडीन नाका मातशे दिसती पडटा तसं नाका. This is not a correct thing. Panchayats will as much as possible, all the panchayats in Goa try to select neutral sites. ते कोणा लिस्ट प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते कमीचे कमी प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते सिलेक्ट करतात पण सगळे कोणी तितलेच बरे सायट मेळपा ना न्हू. सो तेणी चिंतपा जाय लोकांनी पूण वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट जावपाकूच जाय. In fact, just the other day I told my Honorable Chief Minister, we have to sit again and really draw out a plan that we finish the garbage menace in entire Goa. Panchayats have to sit with other departments as well, so that once for all, in the next 6 months, I said it should be in mission mode. की आम्ही garbage problem सोपोवपाचो तशें आमी करपा जाय. I will also be introducing new initiatives which you will know. Let the new bodies come. With the new bodies, by the time new panchayats are elected, before 6 months, that time I can safely say we will also have new schemes and new initiative being given to the panchayats at the behest of the government. First of all, I want to congratulate Bogmalo Chikolna Panchayat for taking initiative to use solar energy for waste management. Whatever machinery that will run inside, whatever in the waste treatment plant, the lighting that will be necessary as well as outside will all run on solar system, which is I think the first among all the panchayats in entire Goa as far as waste management is concerned. म्हणून हांव तेंची तोखणाय करता आनी हे म्हाका दिसता एक पॅटर्न कशें हांव आख्खे गोंयान करतलो because it is a very good thing. We will save on electricity. Whatever excess electricity that will be generated will be put back in the grid. So it will help our to bring down the load or requirement of electricity at very high cost. ही एक नवीन scheme करून even for waste management I will do it. Of course we have done similar thing under Swayambhu Goy in Usgaon Panchayat, where I think our BDO here is the Swayambhu Mitra there. So tingai kelle asa, but not for waste management. This is the first plant of waste management where we are using solar energy, solar panel. Another good scheme what Panchayat of Bogmalo Chikolna has introduced today is a free distribution of this organic manure which is rather produced here. सगळे घरांनी ल्हान ल्हान पॅकेट करून ते वाडटले म्हणजे तेंच्या झाडांनी बरी हेल्दी जातली. थोडी झाडां रोयल्ली आहा ती fruit bearing trees are there, they will get better yield and this is the way they want to keep the village clean and green. Of course I am going to inaugurate on the beach which we had promised एक बार टॉयलेट बांदतलो तो टॉयलेट आमी आतां inaugurate करपाक येता. So even Ant Vedar, when the term is just ending, they are doing very good work. I mean they have done all the 5 years. So I think this is the way my panchayats are functioning and particularly Bogmalo Chikolna. So पळय मरे एट लास्ट जालो न्ही आमी टॉयलेट ऑफ खंयची सुविधा आहा ती दिवपाची केन्ना उणें करूना. सायडीन पळयल्यार आमी टेम्पररी बेजीस हाडून दवरलेले टॉयलेट. सो लोकांक ती सुविधा आसली कित्याक हांगा इतले लोक येता आनी केन्ना एक हॉलिडे आसल्यार तूं क्रावड जाता ती पळोवपा जाय. So this was very much required. So now finally it is a reality, a permanent toilet which is built by different technology altogether. It is something which has to be appreciated. It is led by Shrikant from BITS Pilani, who have taken the initiative along with the panchayat, and they have seen that the toilet has finally become reality. And something what at one time people were saying no toilet will never build in Bogmalo. हांव जाणा कितले त्रास पडले ते फायनली करून दाखयले.